Okay, children, the last topic to be discussed for lesson number 3, how many squares, is about the area, or you can consider as a part of the area. Now, here we are going to see some of the diagrams in your practice work on the graph paper. Now, how to calculate the squares on the graph paper is to be understood by you all. I begin with the explanation here. The figure covers some whole, some half, some less than half, and some more than half squares. Now, how you are going to consider them? Have a look here or check it out. Number 1. Count the complete squares as whole enclosed in the figure. You can see an example where I had drawn 4 squares fully covered with red ink. They are the full square. So how many are the squares covered with red ink? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 full squares, fully covered squares. Second point, count the squares as whole which are covered more than half by the figure. Again you can see this, the red covered area is maximum covered in a square, and there is a less amount of white space remaining here. So this is more than half. So you will consider this as one full square or one whole square. Coming on to the third point, count the square as half which are covered half by the figure. Count 2 half squares as one whole square. Now here you can see a red square which is exactly divided into two parts. One part is fully covered with red ink and one is blank. So this fully covered red ink squares are halfly covered with red ink. So there are total 4 half squares covered with red color or red ink. That means you have how many full squares? 2 full squares. Now the fourth point, ignore or do not count the squares which are covered less than half by the figure. Here again in an example you can check it out where a very small amount of area is covered by the red color. This is not to be considered at all. It is less than half. You can see this is not exactly half, but it is less than half. So you are not supposed to count it in the squares. So when you make a total of full squares or whole squares, more than half squares and half squares, that all to be added together to get the answer of addition, that is sum, will be the area of that figure. Hopefully this is clear to you.